What did you say?
Mommy get angry. Mommy get angry.
Connor, what's your name?
Tende. Huh? That.
Country, oh.
Tende. Tinke. Not that.
Marcelo.
Not
Triste.
and Tinke.
Yay! One more time, ha? Connor,
Again,
what's your
again.
name? I'm Zach. Connor. Nicandeo.
Tinke.
Marcelo.
Tinke.
Triste. Oh, use your fingers. Use your fingers. What's your name? Connor. Mommy is scared.
Mom, then teacher, daddy, it's right. And Trina,
Ito na lang.
not Trina.
Yes, not three.
Oh, ready?
Ready?
Okay.
Yay! Daddy, mommy, daddy need it right there. It is for you.
One.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 na, 1 na lang.
Tuna,
Last one.
ato tuna.
Last one na lang. Ha?
1 na lang.
One na lang, ha?
Ato tuna.
And then we're going to sleep na, ha?
Dito.
Ha? We're going to
Daddy,
sleep na.
daddy.
Meme na, last na.
Nas.
Yes, 1 na
Yes.
lang.
Mommy. Na. And
Angat mo pa. Sobra ka. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
All done.
Mommy, that's time.
That's 5 na.
Five na!
Mommy.
That's 5
Tomorrow
na.
again, tomorrow again.
Again. You ask daddy.
Tomorrow again.
Daddy, anak me.
Kiss muna. I love
Tomorrow
you.
again, tomorrow
Good
again.
night.
Daddy, RTA. This is art. Daddy, this is RT. And Daddy touch RT, please. Touch RT. Daddy touch RT.
Touch Ouchie, okay. Touch Ouchie.
Nota.
More pa? Touch Ouchie.
Read this one.
Yum, yum, da wow. Yum, yum, da
Wow.
wow.
How about this one?
Daddy, read first.
No. How about this one? Read muna the title.
A, mites, nene.
Wow. Very good yan, ah. How about this one?
Any days. And inke.
Wow! Very good, ha? How about this one?
Dragon.
Oh!